Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV. Hope you guys like the intro. I wanted to show you this car, Mitsubishi Lancer, before, after, all that good stuff. Come check out this door. This is what we're going to replace. This door, because it's got some damage. I don't know how well it's showing up in the camera or not. It's got damage right here to this mirror, and we're not going to worry about that fender. But I'm going to start it up, and I'll show you guys. Also, that the mechanism isn't working. Oh no, my battery's dead.
What?
Yeah.
You do really need full battery power or just ignition to try the windows?
Oh, this is what happens.
Don't drive them.
Yeah, and it doesn't go plan that well, so I guess I'm gonna have to boost it up. This is a great opportunity for you guys to see what we have under the hood here. And what we have is your typical 4-cylinder Mitsubishi Dagwood motor. You ever have a Dagwood motor?
Sub?
Dagwood motor.
Oh.
So this is how you put your jumper cables on. You just put them, make sure that they're never touching each other, because if they're touching, they're sparking. And I got a U-Start battery pack here. Compliments of U-Start. So I bought this battery pack back in the 80s from Canadian Tire. It's probably your most trusted battery pack. And make sure when you put your battery cables on, you always put your negative on first. Negative always first, and then positive, because if you do it the other way, the battery could blow up on you. We started her up, so when that happens, you want to remove it immediately. You want to remove it from the battery pack immediately. It's good. But what I wanted to show you about this door is why we're changing it is not only because of this dent here, not only because of the mirror, but because it's simply off track. Check this out. And by checking that out, I guess this control panel don't even work. Oh yeah, it does. Look, see this window? That's terrible. And then I'm gonna put it up. You can't work with a window like that. So we're gonna take it off. We're gonna take it apart. I'm gonna switch the car around. I'll be right back. Oh, and I thought I stepped on a nail because something, yeah, I stepped on that nail right there. Went right through my friggin' Croc. Also, if you're gonna be doing this, try not to do it in Crocs. So I mean, what I'm gonna have to do first, I'm gonna have to take off this door skin, because the new door that came with this car didn't come with the skin. So we're gonna put the skin on it, then we're gonna remove the door, because if we remove the door, don't we remove the skin? I don't know, something's gonna get broke. So I'm gonna get the skin off, I'll be right back. All right guys, so I just took this screw off. I took the screw off that's in the hand puller, and then I took the screw off here for the handle latch. And what you wanna do is gently pry. And it came off real easy. There's gonna be 2 screws here, and by 2 I mean right here. That's gonna be for this lever schmott. It's called a lever schmott, and the 2 bolt holes are right there and right there. So now we got this accessed. We pretty much have no more use for this door other than maybe the speaker, because I didn't check and see if the speaker's on the other door. But we're gonna start disassembling that. And you start by just taking off 6 bolts, all 10 millimeter. Let's do it.
$13. Yeah.
So after I cleaned out all the junk of what I just took out, I got my knee pad, got my floor mat, and I always got my Milwaukee brushless M18 red lithium tool, because I only swear by Milwaukee. So what I did was, off camera, was this piece comes in through right here. This is like a plug, comes in. And right here, there's 2 plugs, a brown one and a white one, right here. And to get access to that, you take off this kick panel, you take off this scuff plate is here, kick panel's here. I removed both of the plastic pieces without damaging a damn thing. These were really simple, and if you guys are having problems with these cables, cut them. I was gonna cut them, but I cut them last time, and it popped a fuse, and the fuse was like 10 bucks. I don't feel like replacing the fuse, so I'll just pull them out. But if you guys are having trouble, cut them, and then you'll know right where the plugs are, because you'll follow the cut wires. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take 12 millimeter wrench and take this door off. Yeah, so all I'm trying to do here now is just plug in what I removed in the first place, and pretty much installation is the same as removal, but the only thing that's probably going to pose a little bit of an issue might be lining the door up, and that's not a huge ordeal, but it might be for some people. So here we have again the connectors, the white and brown. It's color coded, so even if you're, well, if you're colorblind, they only go in one way anyways. When you hear the click, that means she sticks. Yeah, we got the grommet hooked up, we got the door seal hooked up, and we don't yet, but that's all hooked up. Now, well, I'd like to try the door. This middle piece called a door checker, but we don't even need to deal with that right now till it's all put back and tested anyway. So I'm gonna plug this in. This old daddy's door skin back in, and we're gonna see if she works. Oh no, guys, it's different plugs. Shit. Yep, it's different plugs. We're screwed now. Hey Paul, where did this one come out of?
I don't know.
Well, this ain't,
because there wasn't a panel on it.
Yeah, this ain't the right door anyways.
That might be auto lock. Oh, it does have lock.
The only thing I care about...
It could be mirror.
Okay.
There's a little one up here for the mirror, actually.
I'm gonna put the window up and... Whoa.
Sorry, dude.
That's the sound of that window going up and down. But the only issue is... Ugh, it ain't going up with this. I lied. It is. We're good to go, guys. Sorry for psyching you out. I psyched myself out. So I guess all I'm gonna do is, well, honestly, you don't even need this stuff. So we're taking this off. This is what you call a sound deadener, but we want to hear all the horsepower, all the fart cans, all the tin can noise we can possibly hear. And also, this one came with a chrome door lock. We're gonna keep that because we like chrome over flat black plastic. I'm still trying to figure out what this is.
The other door didn't have it, did it?
No, we'll check it. No, the other door only, oh, it's the speaker wire. Good thing I checked that real quick. So I got the speaker wire. So if I didn't plug this in because I thought it was a different door, well, I wouldn't have heard any boom boom out of my speaker. But just by judging by all this ripped foam and stuff, speaker doesn't look to be in like very good shape anyways. So whatever. So now I'm just gonna put in this door handle, screw her in, and as soon as I get this door trim back on, all right guys, I just put the door skin on, but it's not bolted on to anything. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm simply gonna just screw it in. First thing I'm screwing in, this door handle right here. Now don't go hard on these because it's just plastic parts. So, and then that goes right in there, and you never knew we had it off. Then there's another one. This is called the Nipsey Tussle. The Nipsey Tussle is located right here on the top corner of the zinger. So we put that on, and then you cap it up. People don't even know. The last one is right here in behind the gigolo. And we call this gigolo because it jiggles. So this is just a 5x8 hose with a Phillips head. So we're gonna get that in. And again, this comes with a little stash cover, so you can stash anything you need. So the moment of truth, after we put in this tweeterless speaker, you guys see me through this? This is a tweeterless speaker. I don't know why they did that. Maybe it was an option or something, but we don't know. Nice and muddy.
Yes, some dumbass put it in the mud.
Just the way we like it. So now this is the moment of truth, guys. If we put it up good, the door's gonna shut. If we didn't do it good, it's gonna need some adjustments. Here we go. I wasn't expecting it to shut that easy.
Seamless.
Wow, that's actually amazing. So I guess like literally no adjustments gonna be made. The only thing that that's like a little negative is that the fender is hitting when you shut and close it. So I'll probably move that forward just a little bit with like a flat head and a rag. Because let's be honest guys, we're not making this mint enough. But come over here and I'm gonna show you exactly what some idiot did. Some idiot did this. That's plexiglass, guys. Look. Someone put plexiglass on a rear window. Now, that's a safety issue. So, I don't know what's gonna happen when it comes safety time to safety inspect this. But I mean, overall, before and after, guys, that's how you put the door on. Finish. We showed you everything we could. We didn't want to make this a long video because it's straightforward. We got the new door. We got the crap door. That I don't know what we're going to do with it because I don't want that. If you guys want it, I'll ship it out to you at shipping cost for nothing. Comment down below. You'll get that. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming. And we're going to see you next week. Peace.